Another type of properties you can create, are weight. Similar to distances, weight for the moment, we've only used the European system. So for pounds, stones, so on and so forth, if it's an important need for you, please let us know in the forum. So for weight, you can then use for any type of weight, which can be the weight of a specific product or of an ingredient, so on and so forth. Just input the value and then choose the descriptor for it. So by default, it's always set in grams. Then, I believe it might be the last one. And the last type of properties you can create is words. Essentially, words are quite similar to the select or the multi-select. The difference is that the select, the values of the select are reused in every single property. So for example, status, to do, doing, done. It's always the same three. Multi-select might be, for example, participants. So if you always have 4 people participating and you wanted to add them as a property, then you say participant, you say Tom, Jack participate in this one, but Ben didn't participate. So essentially, it's the same thing as select. The only difference is you can choose more than one value. And those values are always the same for the property. Words, on the other hand, could be used, for example, for ingredients. If you don't want to have an eternal list of ingredients and you want to make them just specific to that node, the items in a list of words, in the property words, do not repeat in the other nodes. They're unique. So here, if I were to say, sugar, chocolate, so on and so forth, all of these items added would then appear as individual items. But if I were to go to another node, unlike the select and multi-select that would already have predetermined the list, the property types word, I'll have to then rewrite the entire list. So it depends if the property itself, it matters for you the values or not, whether you choose one or the other. So this is a quick view of all the different property types that you can create and all the different values that you can add as descriptors to a node. The key value of this is essentially to ensure that you have all the information centralized in one place, so that then when you're searching for it, you can very quickly filter it and you have everything grouped together. They help you filter, find, and search information a lot faster. And if, for example, it was a contact, you could quickly search it through his company and then directly either email him or call him, so on and so forth. Or if it was a restaurant, understand the quality of the service you had and your comments about the restaurant. We're thinking about more properties to add. If you have any additional ideas, please do let us know in the forum and we'll add them little by little. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed the video.